Hello everyone, take a green sheet of this measurement and fold it like this and cut it out like this. Now stick it in the form of a cylinder, like this, and insert the two toothpicks at the starting and the end. Now make the face of the caterpillar like this. Wow, our caterpillar is moving. Make the semicircle like this and take another circle of blue color. Make this spiral like this and make the two eyes. Wow, the snail is ready. Let's take some circles of yellow and black color and stick them together like this. Take two white circles and stick them as the wing of the honeybee. Make the two antennas like this, two eyes like this, and a little mouth. Take a sheet of white color, cut the circle out. Now we are making some shark onto it. Now color the shark into blue like this and fold the circle into half, and thank you for watching.